The Copa America Progression event and the Football League Craft 2 are now live on Rollercoin. Let's check out the great rewards that you can get in this progression event and more. Stay tuned. Okay, so the Copa America Progression event is going to be one of those events where you need to collect one of those 9 miners to be able to craft the final miner, and it's the same thing for the crafting offer that is currently going on. So currently on my screen right here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and here I'm greeted with the final tournament where it tells you that you need to complete all stages to add Pepele to your lineup. Pepele's unique style and unmatched efficiency make him a must-have player for any aspiring champion. And here's a bonus: progress through the event for a chance to obtain the incredibly fast Crypto Mbappe as well. So you can upgrade your multiplier. So here we'll go to the section where you can actually buy Ethereum with a 35% discount at the moment to be able to upgrade that multiplier to get through the progression event much faster. So if we go to the game section here, at the top you can see the banner Copa America. This event just started a few minutes ago at the time of recording this video. However, this video will probably be out early tomorrow for you to be able to see. So if we go to more details, let's check it out. It's going to be 550 points this time when you get to a higher difficulty level in the game. This time it's a bit different. It's not about the crafting offer, it's about purchasing 1 RLT. So when you actually purchase 1 RLT, that's going to be 5,000 points for each and every RLT that you actually purchase. Okay, so when you exchange your crypto to RLT, so that might be a good idea when you're doing that, that you actually already have a multiplier, which you will have already done. So you're going to get that automatically to try and get a multiplier. Okay, so if I want, for example, a times 17 multiplier here, I'd, for example, exchange 160 RLT, say, okay? So instead of exchanging the 160 RLT, what I would probably do is exchange, for example, a little less. I'd exchange 130 RLT, because for each and every RLT, I'm going to get 5,000 points. And then the rest, the other 30 that are remaining in this example, I would exchange when I've actually got some multiplier there, because that 5,000 points will go up even more, because then I've got a multiplier applied as well. Okay, so that's the way I think I would do it in order to try and maximize as much as possible those points that I can get. Spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, and this time you'll get 1,100 points. And if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that will be 250 points. This progression event is running for 4 days. At the moment, 15 minutes have passed since the start of this event. And as you can see, the most powerful miner and the miner that you will need in order for you to be able to do that final craft for the mega miner. So this Pepele miner is one of those 9 miners. It's right here at 1.296 petahash per second. So like I always like to do, I am now going to go into Piero's sheet where we can actually see all of the rewards and bonuses that you can get in the Copa America Progression event. So here's that list right here. So Copa America Progression event running up until the 25th of June, 3 p.m. UTC time. Starting off with level 1 down to level 21. So this is a 21 level event. You can get actually 2 Pepeles. At level 19, you can get the first one, which you will need in order to be able to do that mega craft. And you've got Crypto Mbappe, which is also the other one that you will need. There is also another Pepele at level 21. So in reality, you only need 1 to do the craft, and you'll actually be keeping one of these, okay? So you're going to be keeping 1.296 petahash with a 0.25% bonus attached to it, even though you need to get rid of one of them and burn one of them to get that mega 16 petahash miner at the end of this mega event. Okay, So if we go up in the list, so at level 2 you've got 7 EXP points in order to get you through the season. That's a season pass there. That will help you to get the last few points that you might need in order to complete that season and get all the rewards. There's also another one here at level 5 with 20 EXP. Okay, we've got a couple of minus GPU bit and some bonus power there as well at level 3 and 4. You've got RST, 100 RST at level 7. So that's going to give you a total of 100 RST with the 15 RST that you can get at level 1. A couple of racks, a couple of other simple miners here. The Glimpse at level 9. You've got an epic roller arc S1 at 3 terahash with 0.12% bonus attached to it if you don't have that miner already. Another rack at 2%. You've got El Minero at 59 terahash, no bonus there. The Glimpse again, so you can actually merge the two Glimpse there and actually get that as an uncommon miner. You've got the legendary ASIC bit, which will give you 114 terahash at 0.65% bonus if you don't have that in the legendary style already. The golden ticket, 162 terahash at level 15. And there is the Swedish Miracle Rack 8, which will give you 6% bonus for each and every miner that you place on that rack. Here you have an uncommon O Minero with 157 terahash and will give you a 0.55% bonus if you don't already own that miner. And we've got the Aureum as well at 200 terahash with a 2% bonus, again, if you don't already have that miner at level 18. Level 19, 20 and 21, the most important, especially level 19 and 20, where you get the Pepele, Crypto Mbappe, and another Pepele, which will be awesome for you to be able to keep. So total power for this progression event is 4.8 petahash per second with a total of 4.6% minus bonus for the miners if you don't already own the miners in this list. You'll get a total 250 terahash temporary power, which is valid for 7 days, which is here at level 4, and you'll also get 115 RST to help you get a couple of more things from the season store before the season ends. So that is pretty much it for this progression event. Going back to the Rollercoin blog that was out on June 11 when this event actually started a few days later. So the Crypto Mbappe you could have gotten through the European Progression event, but if you missed your chance in that European Progression event, now you can also get it through the Copa America Progression event, as we saw in the list of rewards at level 20. So you can get Crypto Mbappe at level 20 like I just showed you. And there is also the Football League Craft 2, which is going to start as well today. I'm not sure if it's already live. It should be somewhere in this list if it is, so there's no crafting event here yet. Okay, so they're still going to upload that very shortly, but it will be out today, the 21st of June as well at the time of recording this video. It's a bit too early, I guess, so that should be out in a few moments time, and that will give you the last miner, which is earning Hamland at 702 terahash, which you will also need for that mega craft. And I hope that you managed to get all of the 9 miners, maybe even in the marketplace if you didn't manage to get them through the events, because they were for sale in the marketplace as well, although they will be hyped up in price obviously until the event is over. So be sure to try and get them through these events, because obviously it will be more beneficial for you, and that way you will be able to craft this 16 petahash 5% bonus miner. So be sure to look out for that crafting offer. I'm just going to refresh the page. Maybe that has actually started now. Let's give it a shot. Okay, going to refresh. And no, I don't see the crafting offer there yet, but it should be up shortly. Okay, so just be sure to remember that there is that crafting offer going on at this time as well, and get that miner as well. Okay, so I hope that you found this video useful and that you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.